This is what happens when you bottle up your emotions. Number 1, additional stress. Bottling up emotions could drain you, which can make you feel restless and stressed out. Number 2, sudden outbursts. Suppressed emotions build up over time. Once may nakatrigger sa'yo, kahit gaano kababaw lang yan, bigla ka na lang mag-explode na parang pressure cooker na hindi na itapat sa running water. Kaya possible na masabihan kang nasa lobang kulo. Number 3, strained relationship. In connection with number 2, people might misunderstand you when you suddenly burst out due to bottled up emotions. This can lead to resentment of others towards you and eventually damage your relationship with those people. Kaya if someone wants to vent out, hayaan mo lang siya. Listen to what the person has to say. Avoid telling him or her to stop. Kasi ang tendency niyan, he or she will choose to carry the burdens alone and again suppress the negative emotions. Based on my experience, ang bigat nun sa pakiramdam. Avoid letting others feel na mag-isa lang sila dito sa mundo. Sometimes, feeling loved means there's someone out there who's willing to lend a set of ears for you. Kaya choose to be someone's safe haven today. You might be their last hope para mailabas yung emotions nila.